Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to auto brightness on NOKIA 5.3. Let's begin. So, let's start with simply checking if we have auto brightness enabled. We can try to search for this option in Control Center on the top. Though as you can see, it is nowhere to be found. We can always go to pencil icon and try to add it if there is one for auto brightness, but as you can see there's only option for extra dim, which is also pretty important because extra dim will dim your brightness, so you might think that your brightness is not working properly. So we also want to make sure that this is disabled. Anyway, as you can see, we can't find this option in the control center, so instead we'll go to the settings. Now let's scroll down into display, and as you can see right below brightness level, we have adaptive brightness, currently disabled. So let's simply enable it, and as you can see now our brightness automatically adjusted itself to our surroundings. Though for some people it still might not be working. Once again, it might be because of this extra dim option that we had earlier. However, the very easy way to fix any issues with auto brightness specifically is to simply reboot your device. You can easily do that by simply clicking this power icon and hitting restart. I know this might sound silly, but when rebooting your device, you're also rebooting every single hardware on your phone as well, including sensors that are built inside your camera, which are responsible for checking for your surroundings and then adjusting the brightness accordingly. So, in other words, when you restart it, those sensors should also reboot and they should be working again. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.